S-400 system is not only world's best air defense system, it is one of the most controversial air defense system as US imposes economic sanction under CAATSA Act on countries buying S-400 system. However, many of the world power are still interested in it. China has already purchased 6 batteries of S-400 defense system. India has also inked a deal worth $5.43 billion in October 2018 for the supply of 5 regiments of S-400. The delivery for the same is expected to start by the end of year 2021. The obvious question that we might be thinking right now is what makes S-400 such a potent air defense system in the world today. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. In today's video, we are going to discuss in detail about the S-400 defense system and its component. The S-400 Triumph is an upgraded version of S-300 defense system developed by Russia's Almaz Center Design Bureau. If we look at the components of S-400 Triumph defense system, it integrates a multifunctional radar, autonomous detection and targeting systems, anti-aircraft missile systems, launchers, and command and control center. The S-400 system can engage all types of aerial targets, including fighter jets, high-value aerial targets such as AWACS or refuelers, unmanned aerial vehicles, and ballistic and cruise missiles within a range of 400 km and at an altitude of up to 30 km. The system can simultaneously engage up to 36 targets. The S-400 is almost twice as effective as the previous Russian air defense system, and it can be deployed within 5 minutes. The S-400 missile system uses 4 different missile types in addition to the missiles of S-300 PMU system. The first missile inducted for the system was 48N6DM or 48N6E3. It is an improved variant of 48N6M with a powerful propulsion system. The missile can destroy airborne targets within a range of 250 km and has a maximum velocity of Mach 5.9. The missile is capable of neutralizing the targets with a maximum velocity of Mach 14. The 40N6 missile of S-400 has a claimed range of 400 km and it uses active radar homing to intercept air targets at a greater distance. It is effective against low altitude targets at extremely long range such as AWACS, J-STARS, EA-6B support jammers and other high value targets. The S-400 Triumph also launches 9M96E and 9M96E2 medium range ground to air missiles designed for direct impact. The missiles can strike fast moving targets such as fighter aircraft with very high hit probability. The hit probability of missile for an aircraft is 0.9, for an UAV it's 0.8 and for missiles it's 0.7, which is pretty impressive. The maximum range of 9M96 missile is 120 km and have a maximum velocity of Mach 2.9. Now we'll talk about its next component, which is command and control center. The 55K6E command and control center of S-400 Triumph is based on URAL 53230 mobile command post vehicle. The command post is equipped with LCD consoles to process airspace surveillance data of individual batteries. It controls and monitors long-range surveillance radar, tracks airborne threats, prioritizes the threats, and coordinates with other batteries. The fire control and tracking radar of S-400 is 92N6E, also codenamed as Gravestone by NATO. The 91N6E Big Bird acquisition and battle management radar of S-400 is based on 8x8 trailer The radar can detect and track aircraft, rotorcraft, cruise missiles, guided missiles, drones and ballistic rockets within range of 600 kilometers. 91N6E panoramic radar has declared anti-stealth targeting range of 150 kilometers. For a ballistic target with a speed of Mach 14 and RCS of 0.4 square meters, it has a range of 230 kilometers. For a target with a radar cross-section of 4 square meters, it has a range of 390 kilometers. And for a target of a strategic bomber size, it has a range of up to 570 kilometers. It can simultaneously track up to 300 targets. Now talking about the launch vehicle of S-400 system, the missiles are launched from 5P85TE2 self-propelled launchers or 5P85SE2 trailer launchers operated in conjunction with BAZ64022 or MAZ53M tractor trailer. The vehicle can carry up to 4 launch tubes holding a mix of missiles. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.